Do you know what the worst part of owning a pool is? It's not the cleaning, it's when you spend hours maintaining it and it still ends up full of dirt, sand, and floating leaves the next day. And being in the tropics with constant heat, trees overhead, tropical storms, and high humidity, keeping a pool clean isn't just frustrating, it's relentless. That's exactly what guys was so interested in testing out the AiRROBO PC10 cordless robotic pool cleaner, as you can see here. Now in this review, we're going to be in depth, showing you how this machine actually performs in a real pool that gets hit with serious debris. We'll cover setup, real-time performance, navigation, cleaning power, battery life, ease of use, and how it compares to other pool cleaners we've tested on this channel. If you're a pool owner and you're sick of tangled hoses and hours lost scrubbing the floor, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell, because this could save you serious time and effort. And if you'd like to purchase the AiRROBO, please check links in the description. Now I won't spend long on the unboxing. The PC10 comes mostly assembled. Inside the box, you'll find the robot itself, a 4-litre filter basket already installed, a charging cable with a new next generation waterproof connector, a wall plug, and a hook for retrieving it after cleaning. The first thing I noticed was the build quality. It's solid. The robot features wide rubber tank style treads for grip, a central PVC roller brush for scrubbing the floor, and 3 powerful 131-watt motors underneath for serious suction. It's waterproof to IP68 standards, has smart onboard sensors, and comes equipped with a newly added head sensor that helps stable its wall climbing performance. Setup was dead simple. I plugged in to charge. Full charge takes around 2.5 hours, and once the indicator was green, I dropped it into the pool. Okay, so here we're at the pool about to film. As you can see, I've got the pool behind me. It's a large pool. Sorry about the noise in the background. So we're going to go and pop it in here now. So again, very, very easy to use. All you do is switch it on. So go to the control panel, switch it to auto, like that, and it comes on automatically, and pop it in the pool. So I'm going to do that just now, and let's see it come on. Now, as you can see, we have a large pool here. It's exposed to elements, has uneven corners, sloped edges, and accumulates debris almost daily. The AiRROBO PC10 sunk straight to the bottom. Wait a few seconds, and then fired up. Immediately I noticed how intelligently it moved. Unlike cheaper models that bounce around randomly, this unit uses Nav'i Clean Smart Path Planning. Now what this is, it's a positioning system that maps pool size and depth, and then navigates in a zigzag formation, avoiding overlap and missed spots. As you can see here, within minutes I could see the difference. It glided smoothly, lifting fine sand from the tiles, picking up small leaves, and scrubbing away surface dust with each pass. The movement was quick, quiet, efficient, and surprisingly calm. You could barely hear it above the water. And guys, you could still be swimming in the pool as well while you're using it. Then came the big moment, wall climbing. Well guys, watch this. It's honestly impressive. The AiRROBO PC10 didn't hesitate. It hit the wall, adjusted its angle, and climbed straight up like it was on rails. It reached the waterline, held position using suction, and cleaned the exact area where dirt and algae often accumulate. The added head sensor, as you can see, helps the robot detect when it reaches the waterline, and the pump activates to suction away floating debris. It's the kind of performance most budget pool robots struggle with. And here, as you can see, it worked. Not once or twice, but over and over again across every wall and corner. And that's unique because you need something that can clean the whole pool, not just the floor. Now, the great thing is it's got different modes as well. It's got the floor mode, the wall mode, or you can use both with it too, which is great. It even handles steps. The robot detected the incline, climbed one step at a time, and pivoted to clean the surfaces. The treads grip well, and I never saw it get stuck. You could tell this robot was designed for flexibility. Whether it's a deep pool, a shallow ledge, or angled flooring, and the whole time the LED lights on the device help me confirm which cleaning mode it was in. You've got full auto mode for wall and floor cleaning, floor only mode for quick sessions, and wall only if you're looking just to clear algae or edge build-up. So you can see behind me, the pool cleaner's been going now for the last 15 minutes. Zagging across the pool, cleaning it, doing the walls. It's very, very effective, working very well. So got to keep on letting it run, but it's quiet. You can't hear it at all. And as you can see, there it goes, setting its direction and off on its way to do more cleaning. And as you can see, there's the intelligent mapping. So there it goes, crisscrossing across the pool. So essentially it's going to go that way, then that way, then that way. So that's how it gets cleaning very effectively. Guys, switching modes just takes one button. And yes, it remembers the last setting when you turn it off. Now, after about 120 minutes of runtime, which is right in line with the 5200 milliampere battery spec, AiRROBO PC10 stopped at the pool's edge and waited to be retrieved. That's part of the intelligent parking system. Guys, no diving, no fishing it out from the middle. I used the included hook, pulled it out and opened the filter basket. This part blew me away. It was absolutely packed. Fine sand, twigs, clumps of algae, even a couple of dead insects. It had clearly done a proper deep clean. And guys, the best part, emptying the filter basket took less than a minute. Just lift the lid, pop out the basket and spray it with a garden hose. No complicated filter screens or screwdrivers required. Because of its 4-litre size, I didn't have to pause and empty mid-clean either, which is a massive improvement over smaller units I've reviewed before. Let's talk about specs quickly, because this is where the AiRROBO flexes. The PC10 offers suction power up to 42,000 PA, can clean pools up to 1829 square feet in one session. It's rated for in-ground or above-ground pools up to 3 meters deep, and because it's cordless and waterproof, there's no messy hoses, setup, or risk of tangling. It works well in warm climates, with water temperatures of 5 to 35 degrees, and that makes it perfect for Southeast Asia, Australia, US, or guys, frankly, across Europe or anywhere where you may need a pool cleaner. In terms of user experience, this robot is almost invisible. It doesn't make noise, it doesn't interrupt your day. You don't need to babysit it, you charge it, press one button and let it go. That's what sets it apart from older models or budget vacuums. The PC10 truly feels like a hands-off experience. And if you see my review of the other pool cleaners, you know I've tested a lot of these machines. But guys, what do I think about this one? It's probably the most refined and capable option under $500 I've seen. The wall climbing is strong, the navigation is more consistent, and the filter capacity alone makes it stand out for high debris pools like this one. If you're someone who hates manual cleaning or simply wants to reduce your weekly maintenance time, this cleaner could seriously change your routine. Whether it's regular upkeep or post-storm cleanup, the PC10 handled everything. I threw at it, and after multiple tests run over 2 weeks, it still runs like new. No tangles, no motor stalls, no clogs, it just works. So guys, what's my final verdict? The AiRROBO PC10 is a serious robotic pool cleaner with smart navigation, strong suction, true waterline cleaning, and a build that feels made for tropical real-world conditions. If you want a hassle-free clean experience with powerful results, this is a robot worth considering. I've included links to the Amazon listing, official store, Walmart, and eBay in the descriptions below if you wish to purchase. And if this video has helped you, if you want to see a full head-to-head comparison with other pool cleaners, let me know in the comments. And don't forget, give this video a thumb up, tap the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you never missed an honest hands-on review. And also check out our giveaways. We've got over $4,000 worth of giveaways going at the moment. I'm Andy from Mr. Yahoo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.